Open the tape. Find the random accessories in the toolbar. Unlock the QBH lock. Loosen the QBH lock nut of the gun head until it stops at the unlocked position. Install the QBH lock dust-proof device on the window mirror and gun head, and be careful to prevent dust from entering the gun head or the laser QBH window mirror. Disassemble the air and water pipes. The old version of QBH gun head opens 3 aviation plugs, half a meter below. The new QBH gun head adopts an integrated design. You need to open the protective cover and find the aviation plug to open it. Open the motor protection cover and unplug the plug. At this point, the gun head is disassembled and the gun head accessories are packaged separately to prevent bumps. Twist the laser head properly to prevent dust and drop. Repair gun installation process after receiving. Open the dust cover and motor protection cover in turn. Find the signal lines and connect them in turn. Don't worry about plugging them in reverse, or they won't connect. Install the motor cover. Install the dust cover. Remove the dust caps on the gun head and window mirror. Lock the gun head and tighten the nut. No shaking is allowed during tightening. The gun head QBH is connected to the laser QBH. Connect the water pipe and the gas pipe. Do not distinguish between water supply and drainage, but the gas pipe cannot be connected to the water pipe. Install the dust-proof cloth in place and seal it with tape.